Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make very easy crochet daisies, and the way I'm going to do it is after creating the chains I'm going to loop under the first crochet chain that I created, and I'm going to go using my crochet hook and then grab the other part of the string, and I'm going to wrap it around my finger to create the tension, and then wrap it using my crochet hook so that I could pull it up the other way. Now what I'll do is I'll grab the string and on top of the crochet hook, and then I'll go under to grab the other end, and now I'm going to pull two together, and then I'm going to pull two more. So I'm grabbing the string, going under, grabbing the other end, pulling two by grabbing the string, and then again pulling two and grabbing the string. So now I have two double crochets, and now I'm going to create one more double crochet. So I'm pulling the string through two loops, and then I'm going to pull the string through two more loops. So now creating three chains, and then I'm going through the same process again. I'm going to create three more double crochets. Oops. Redo it. It's okay if you make mistakes, you could always go back and redo it. So I'm doing it right now. Creating my first double crochet and then going back and doing my second one right now. And this is a really relaxing, it's very therapeutic. If you're doing this over and over, it can get really relaxing, and if you do it a couple of times it becomes super easy for you, and you can just do it. It's kind of like muscle memory. You already know how to do it. So here is the last double crochet that I created, and now I'm going to create three more chains again, and then go through this process to create two more of this same process. So right now I'm going and then creating my first double crochet, and then creating my second double crochet. My strings gotten short, so I had to adjust it. So here I am going under, going over, and then creating the one. And this is the last double crochet for this daisy. And once I do that, I'm just going to create three more chains again. Just make sure everything looks fluffy and so three more chains, and now I'm just going to connect the two ends together. And going to end the daisy here, and this is how you create a crochet daisy. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and also leave any comments below and turn on the notification buttons for future videos. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.